Wanted to share with you today my top tips for people who come and see me who've got mild, moderate acne. There is some early evidence that improving your gut health will also improve your skin, so there is a strong link there. Follow a low GI diet, avoiding hidden sugars in foods like crisps, cakes. Artificial sweeteners as well are a no-no. Excess sugar in the diet causes our bodies to create insulin, which in turn can actually affect how much sebum our skin is producing. Excess sebum leads to blocked follicles, which can then lead to a breakout. So it's a good idea just to try and avoid those sugar spikes. If you've got any questions at all, please do DM me and I will happily give you some advice.